Next number is, well, I'll either have to get new glasses or my arm is not long enough. It looks like 94. Yes, it is 94. Who's 94?
I'm 94.
Really? A little late in life to start as an amateur, isn't it? I was looking at this card, and the numbers are so small I could hardly read them.
Oh, they are small. I wrote them myself.
Yes? Well, if ever I open a delicatessen, I'd like to have you slice the ham for me. Now, what is your specialty?
Oh, I'm a farmyard mimic.
Mm-hmm. A farmyard mimic. Just what is that?
Well, I imitate a chicken.
You imitate a chicken? How unique.
Oh, Colonel Bates.
And your name is what?
Henrietta.
Henrietta. We will now have some foul imitations by Henrietta. Go right ahead.
Ever learn to do that?
You can't learn that. It's a gift.
It's nothing. It's a curse. That was swell. That was fine. Of course, I don't know whether that was supposed to be a Rhode Island Red or a Plymouth Rock. But my opinion doesn't really matter because I'm fond of all kinds of chickens. Now, thank you, Henrietta. Thank you very much. Now, if you'll just be seated, we all thank you.